love this one. I had it in Friuli Venezia once. Okay, so we're gonna make a regular gnocchi. You know, we boil the potatoes and then we rice them while they're still hot. Add a little bit of salt, then your egg mixture. And then slowly just kind of mix it around. Then you're gonna add your flour. And then you wanna just mix it very lightly. You don't wanna mix it a lot, okay? You're gonna mix it all together until it's all smooth. There shouldn't be any flour left on the table. Exactly the right amount. Then you're gonna just flour it a little so you can roll it a little bit right into a log. There you go. And then we're gonna slice about 1 inch each because these need to be large enough to hold the stuffing. You can also just roll the dough out to about 1/2 inch thick and then just punch out 2.5 inch rounds. Then, when you want to stuff them, you sort of flatten them out right in your hand a little bit, okay? Then you add a little of the marmalade, and then you fold the sides up around the marmalade, and then make a ball. Squeeze it all together, and then just roll it and make a nice little round shape. Then you can also just kind of flour it up again, so it holds together. After they're all ready, you want to gently place them right in the water. Then, you're going to make a little mixture of melted butter, cinnamon, sugar, and some breadcrumbs. Just warm it up so it comes all together. You don't want to heat this up. You just want to gently warm it up. Then, when the gnocchis are ready, you remove them from the water and gently place them right in the butter mixture. And then gently warm them up a little bit, just like slow to medium heat. All right, just for about 30 to 45 seconds. And then you can stick them right on the plate and then pour a little bit of the sauce right over them. These things are so good. Slice them right in the middle. Look at that.